Hey guys, I'm Kate Danielle, Canva certified creative and graphic designer, and in this video I am going to show you how you get color codes out, how you can pull them out of an image or anywhere off the web. I have 3 different tools that I love to do this with, so let's look at them really quickly. The first one is the Adobe color tool. This is a free tool. This is a great tool to explore and develop your color palette and things like that. But if you already have your color palette somewhere or you want to pull from an image, you can upload an image here. I've gone to extract from image, and I'm just going to pull in a random image that I have available. And you can drag your little dots around to exactly where you need them and create a color palette. And I don't have very many colors in this image, but you get the idea. Now you may want to save this. Make sure you might need an account to save, but you actually don't have to save it. You just want to click back to color wheel. Once you have all your little circles set, come back to color wheel. And if you scroll down, you can see all of these color codes here. Go ahead and copy those and put those in a place for safe keeping. Another fun tool that's kind of the same thing, but I like it if you like the general idea of a photo and you're not trying to pull exact colors, but you want to develop a palette based off a photo, is the color palette generator from Canva. And it works very similar. You upload an image. Let's see if I can find one that's a little more colorful this time. Oh, this is a good example I pulled from Pinterest. Upload an image and it generates a color palette down below. You can see it's pretty close to what you have here, but I've got this little bit of a darker pink it's pulling, and this one you can't drag anything around, but again you can just click and it copies it. So you would copy them one at a time and either just go make a note in your notepad, your Trello board, or plug them right into Canva. Now my other favorite tool that I love to use, because I can pretty much almost pull a color from anywhere I'm at on the web, is my Chrome extension called ColorZilla. So it's a free extension. Just Google ColorZilla and install that to Chrome. And when I click it, if I click this very top thing on the menu, pick color from page, I get this little crosshair thing, and you can see right up here the color is going to change as I'm dragging around. So if I was somewhere that wasn't pulling the colors, and say I wanted this really bright yellow, I can hover around and you can see it gets different shades as I move it, because it's not exactly even light shining across this image. I can move around till I get right where I want, click, and my color code right there is copied. And again, I could come to Canva, pick a thing, and paste it right in to Canva. So there you go. That is how you can pull color codes from any image or anywhere on the web.